Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. If you're new here, welcome. What's up? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, like, be like, yo, I'm new. What's up? What's new? What's good? I am Brittany and you are watching Just a Little Brit. Just a little bit of what? Well, today it's just a little bit of crafting. We've got lots of fun crafts for us planned for the month of February. Getting ready for Valentine's Day, so I just figured let's get into it. My brain's got lots of ideas. Here we go. So today I'm going to be doing 3 crafts. Most of the goodies I found today are from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just giving them a cute little facelift. And some things that I did also use today are from Amazon, and I'll make sure to put those in the description box below. So anyway, we've got lots and lots to jam pack in today's video, so let's get started. So first things first, we are going to work on some beautiful candles. Ooh. First things first, you're gonna need a palette. Hello. Go out, she's so pretty. Okay, then we're gonna take one of these candles. Candle in the wind. We get some tape. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna try it. We're gonna put it there. We're gonna flush it. 1, 2, 3. Like it's wax. Nothing. Doesn't come off. Does not come off. 1, 2, 3. Come off like wax. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Nothing. It does nothing. Chingo. Point of the matter, we will find a more effective way. I promise you, my friends. Probably Goo Gone. So before I go crazy taping, I did some stripes on this guy, and I did half with this guy. So I want to stick with the pink. Maybe I'll do red. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. All I know is that it took that gold a long time to get dry, so we're gonna start with that. Okay, so first we're gonna take our gold. It's our pre-mixed pourable metallic paint. This is the same one that we used from the project with the ornaments. That's the same one. And I'm just gonna keep the same rim gold. And I'm just gonna go ahead and paint everything I have to get painted first so that it has a minute to dry. While that's happening, I'm gonna go ahead and start heaping my candle. So I like to go from the back around. I'm stuck. And this is just gonna make sure that we have those really pretty crisp lines. We're gonna do a masking tape line on top as well. This is a smart move to have a guide. Okay, so that's that. Next, we're gonna work on these guys. These guys are just foam dice. And we're gonna do really cute multi-sided little dice friends. It'll be really, really sweet, just a little table decor. So first, we are going to take our 2 dice. Nifty. And this is Waverly chalk paint in white. And unfortunately, they covered each and every one of my Waverly labels. I'm gonna use my handy dandy cute little palette over here for my chalk paint. Now these guys take a lot of paint to cover it. So greatest thing about chalk paint is that it actually dries so quickly. Next craft is going to be a beautiful, beautiful wreath. It is heart-shaped, clustered in roses with some really beautiful little rhinestones, some pearls. Let's get started. First things first, we got this great little ugly wreath. It says love on it. Let's kill it. Get off. we're gonna do a cute little ombre. If we're gonna start off light, we're gonna end up strong. Let's go. So pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and fold the end in half and cut a triangle shape out of the end with my scissors. Burlap is known to destroy all scissors, so make sure you don't love them too much if you're gonna use them to cut. And that's gonna give us our gorgeous and even end. And I'm just gonna go ahead and make a pretty bow. Go ahead and put some rhinestones, pearls, and embellishments on there. I continued embellishing. I added some of these table scatter that I painted over with some gold and some pink table scatter as well. This is a wrap. I'm gonna go ahead and attach our XO while everything else is still drying. I'm gonna speed up my process a little bit by blow drying my pieces. Okay. Let's get some crisp lines up in here. Kind of. Now we're going to attach the love to the other side. Or do I like it like this? I like it like this. Cute. Okay friends, so we have finished our wreath. We've finished our little squares, our little XO love squares. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night, let my candle dry, and then embellish it in the morning. See you guys there. Okay friends, day 2, I slapped on some lashes and I'm gonna get started rhinestoning. It's Luna! She says hi. Snort means hi. Hi. We're in love. She just wanted to say hi. That's all. She says bye. Let's get to it. Okay friends, so good morning. Hello new day. Here we go. So first I just want to add some more gold on the places where I got a little bit of pink on it. Just a little baby. Covering up your mistakes is easy, 'cause it's paint, do 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 do. But if it's not paint, then it's kind of hard. Good luck. Amaze. Just a little bit of love will just make it work. I'm gonna go ahead and play chalk paint. We're gonna do red today. Right? Too much. It's too much. Okie dokie. Artichoke. Let's paint. I wish I could take this guy off. Don't think I will. So we'll just paint over it. It'll be the back. Nobody needs to see it. Shh. Doesn't exist if we don't see it. Does not exist if we don't see it. Yeah. Okay, let's cover it up with some red chalk paint. While that's drying, we're going to do other things. Just kidding. I'm telling you guys, this gold is the sheerest thing in the world. It's like, I'm gold. And I need it to be like, hi guys, I'm gold. It's like, no, dude, be gold if you're gonna be gold. You know what I mean? Gold. If you're gonna be a bear, be grizzly. Be a grizzles. Grizzles bedizzles. There's the gold. So I didn't get to really talk about how cute this was, but obsessed. I'm obsessed with this one. On one side, it's got the whole XO hearts, hugs, and kisses, but on the other side, it says love. I'm obsessed. So cute. So stinking cute. So I'm just going to leave this over here. Touched gold. Second coat of paint. Okay friends, let's rhinestone this baby. Okay, so at the Dollar Tree I found these really cool self-adhesive, super easy to put on, super easy to use. Here we go. One of these bad boys, and I like to start in the back so that it's still kind of lit, so that my seam isn't in the front. And I'm just gonna put it above my raw edge here. And then as I get to the end, just trim off excess. Also found these cool, they're like half beads, and I split them up so that I could outline these hearts. Super cute. So actually that's what I'm gonna do, is put some more of these guys to kind of match the other ones. Perfect. Does this fit around? We're gonna try. It does. Okay, so let me put it right. Where you going? All right, so just underneath. We'll have just the slightest bit left over. Love how easy that is to put on. Then maybe a couple little heartsy hearts. Do some red. I like how I traced these though, low-key. That's kind of cute. And then outline it. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our handy dandy beads. I'm just gonna trim off some. So last time I did this, I think I put too much glue, so this time I'm gonna be a little bit more careful about it. Okay. Be super cool, super careful. Okay. And pin it down. Hooray! And then we've got this guy. TBH, I think it's dry. Alright friends, that's all for today's DIY adventure. I had so much fun creating these little block dice, friends. These double-sided XOXO/love blocks, and all of our cute candles. I love this wreath. It might end up in my bathroom after Valentine's Day is over because it kind of matches the decor. But anyway, if you had as much fun as I did, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share with your friends. Maybe you guys can have a crafting night together. Make sure you let me know how your crafts come out. I would love to know. Hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my updates. And for more fun, make sure to follow me on my Instagram at justalittlebrit__. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you guys next week.